If you're the proud owner of a European-made vehicle, you might wonder who you should take it to when it needs repairs or maintenance. Do you take it to a specialist, or can you take it to any mechanic? Taking your vehicle to the repair shop for preventative maintenance or needed repairs is a lot like taking a loved one to the doctor. When it comes to healthcare, though, sometimes it feels like there's a doctor for everything, and there's good reason for this. The human body is a complex machine, made up of complex systems, each with their own quirks, special functions, and you guessed it, problems. That's why it's helpful to have specialists who are specifically trained in the diagnosis and treatment of different bodily systems. The same is true with vehicles. Car manufacturers vary greatly in the types of parts they use, the technology they install in their vehicles, and the systems that are in place to create a high-performance machine. This all creates automobiles that are related to, but different than, each other. The differences are even more marked when the vehicles are manufactured in another country, like European cars are. If you've made the monetary investment in purchasing a European vehicle, you likely want to protect that and keep it around for a while. You also want it to keep performing like the high-performance machine it was meant to be. With that in mind, you'll want to take it to a specialist for repairs and maintenance. Here's why. European vehicles are made with different parts and standards than American or Asian automobiles, thus leading to the need for unique tools that may not be used on the average vehicle or available at the average repair shop. Just like a cardiologist takes different educational classes than a pulmonologist, a European car repair specialist will have different training than a technician certified to work on Fords or Hondas, for example. European cars also have specialty parts. Not every auto repair shop will know about or stock the parts required for fixing or maintaining a European-made model. State-of-the-art, up-to-date equipment is needed for accurate diagnosis and repair of many European vehicles. Not every repair shop is willing to put in the time and money it takes to get and maintain such equipment. Whether ACE certified or specifically certified to work on European vehicles, a specialized technician who has put forth the time and effort to go through rigorous certification testing will be better qualified to work on your luxury vehicle. At Good Works Auto Repair, we believe in protecting your vehicle investment every step of the way. That's why we hire ACE-certified technicians who have demonstrated their ability to properly diagnose and repair many different makes and models, including European vehicles. Give us a call to schedule service today.